as well. This is
yes.
All right, 250935, the People versus Tiana Washington.
Good afternoon, Todd Barron appearing on behalf with Ms. Washington, Your Honor. Matter was here today for a review with regards to restitution. I did have the opportunity to speak with my client and Mr. Zick. My understanding is Mr. Zick also spoke with Mr. Stevens via Zoom, and we reviewed a document from Progressive Insurance indicating that Mr. Stevens incurred a $1,000 out-of-pocket deductible for damage to his vehicle. Ms. Washington understands that if Your Honor were to order that, she would pay it. The only issue we have, Your Honor, is Ms. Washington was stopped and arrested on the OWI at another location in the city of Taylor. There had been a report of prior, what was deemed as a hit and run, as she exited Big League Brews. She has no recollection or no knowledge of striking any vehicle, leaving that location, and we've reviewed photographs from area towing from when her vehicle was towed, which shows no damage, not even a paint transfer on her vehicle. So she questions whether it was her vehicle that was involved in the hit and run. Once again, Your Honor, we may never know. If Your Honor were to impose the restitution, feeling it appropriate, we would understand, or if you were inclined to leave it to a civil remedy for Mr. Stevens, we would understand that as well.
Right. I don't know if the cameras were ever reviewed, but I'm reviewing the reports. It's a vehicle matching her vehicle, struck a vehicle leaving the parking lot. Was she at Big League Brews that night? Yes.
Yes.
I mean, she's at Big League Brews, she leaves there, and then she's found not too long afterwards, and she had struck a street sign and was asleep at the wheel. Not good, right? I'm awarding the restitution. And it'll be paid over the course of probation, okay? So you just make your payments here. It'll just be combined into what you owe at the court, and then we'll send the checks out to Mr. Stevens, okay?
Right.
Anything else? Anything else?
I don't agree.
Okay, what don't you agree with?
I have no damages done to my car, so I couldn't have hit his.
Did you also hit a sign?
That is there. I have the damages of that is there.
I mean, we can have a full hearing, and we could, I mean, and the prosecutor could bring in the people from Big League Brews and see if they can make an identity. I mean, that's not my decision. I'm telling you, as far as I'm concerned, you were at the bar, you left the location. There are people that saw you in the vehicle that matches the vehicle you were ultimately found in, sleeping, crashed into a stop sign, and you left Big League Brews. So, I mean, to me, the standard's been met. I mean, because you don't remember it or you don't see damage on your vehicle. He indicated he had $200 worth of damage to his car. So it's not like this was some crazy crash that would have caused all this damage.
But do I have the right to be proven guilty by reasonable doubt?
This is a civil remedy. So no, you on the charge you do. But restitution, this is the civil matter. I mean, and so no, that's not the standard. But if you want a hearing, I'll give you one.
I'm just saying that if my car actually hit his, then mine would be damaged as well. Like, my car came out perfectly fine, but it damaged his, and I don't even have like his paint on my vehicle or anything.
Well, you didn't hit, you've cracked his headlight. You left there drunk. What was our BAC? Blood draw.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I don't recall the BAC, and I don't recall seeing a UD10 either with regards to any specifics with regards to what was observed on Mr. Stevens' vehicle.
I mean, they had her down to the outfit she was wearing that day as the person that did this. A very distinctive outfit. Wearing a red and black Chicago Bulls jacket with black pants. And that matched the description of the person in the vehicle. I'm ordering it $1,000 in restitution to be paid over the course of your probation with your other fines and costs. It's gonna appeal me.
Mr. Sampson, come here to the door, please.
All right, this is 252317, the People versus Brandon Sampson.
Gary Kazicki on behalf of Mr. Sampson, waive reading of the complaint, stand mute, request court appointed attorney, and he's hoping for a personal bond, Your Honor. He's got a job interview tomorrow.
Okay. All right. Sir, did you go over your constitutional rights with your attorney that are outlined on this advice of rights form?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you give your attorney permission to sign your name on that form?
Yes, Your Honor.
I've entered a not guilty plea for purposes of arraignment. I've signed the request for court-appointed attorney. I just need to know if he is bold. Printing. Give Mr. Kazicki. It won't let Miss Maudlin in it. Thank you. All right, sir, hold on one second.
He has NSP, Detroit Traffic, Royal Oak, Hazel Park, Clinton Township, Warren County, Warren.
Got a few.
Thank you. Got a $10,000 hold on a warrant.
Here's my child support.
All right, well, you also have them out of MSP, Detroit, Royal Oak, Hazel Park, Clinton Township, and Macomb County, and Warren.
All trucking tickets.
So Warren is actually false pretenses. And the child support one is the one out of Macomb County. So he's got a $10,000 bond on one of his theft cases that he has pending. Sir, you don't come to court.
I was already on probation for it already. And I had to take up some money, but like I said, once I started my job, I was gonna take up some money because I was already on probation for it already.
All right, you're a flight risk. You've got multiple warrants out all over Wayne and Macomb County, and Oakland County. So you're a flight risk. You don't appear in court. You have a $5,000 10% bond. You're to appear in court as directed. You're not to leave the state without permission of the court. You're not to commit any while released. You're to immediately notify the court of change of address or phone number. You can't return to Dick's Sporting Goods.
Okay.
You cannot possess or have access to firearms or other dangerous weapons. You cannot consume alcohol. You may be subject to testing on demand. You cannot shop without another responsible adult who doesn't steal.
Okay.
All right, we're all set.
So my bond with 10% is 500.
That's correct, sir.
All right, thank you,